A well-designed garden is a joy to behold. It's about creating a harmonious space that reflects your personality. Garden design elevates an outdoor area into a sanctuary. A thoughtfully planned garden becomes a haven for relaxation. Envision your dream garden before you start. Once you have a clear picture of your ideal garden atmosphere and purpose, you can explore different garden styles to find the perfect match. Formal gardens, characterized by geometric layouts and symmetrical plantings, exude elegance and order. They often feature manicured hedges, perfectly pruned shrubs, and a limited color palette for a sense of timeless sophistication. In contrast, informal gardens embrace a more relaxed and natural aesthetic. They feature flowing lines, meandering pathways, and a vibrant mix of colors and textures. Cottage gardens, a popular type of informal garden, are known for their abundance of flowers, charming pathways, and whimsical accents. If you're drawn to low-maintenance gardening, consider a minimalist or contemporary garden style. These gardens often feature clean lines, simple hardscaping, and a limited palette of drought-tolerant plants. Japanese gardens, with their emphasis on simplicity, balance, and harmony, offer a serene and contemplative atmosphere. By exploring different garden styles, you can identify the elements that resonate with your vision and create a cohesive design that reflects your personal taste and lifestyle. Before you start planting, it's essential to assess your garden's existing conditions. Sunlight exposure is a critical factor in plant selection. Observe your garden throughout the day to determine how many hours of direct sunlight different areas receive. Some plants thrive in full sun, while others prefer partial shade or full shade. Next, examine your soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Conduct a simple soil test to determine its pH level and nutrient content. This information will guide you in choosing suitable plants and making any necessary soil amendments. For example, some plants prefer acidic soil while others thrive in alkaline conditions. Finally, consider your garden's terrain. Is it flat, sloping, or hilly? Sloped gardens can be challenging, but also offer opportunities for creating terraced gardens or incorporating retaining walls. Flat gardens provide more flexibility in layout and design. Understanding your garden's terrain will help you make informed decisions about plant placement and hardscaping features. Creating layers in your garden adds depth, dimension, and visual interest. Think of your garden as a stage with different levels for plants of varying heights. Start with a foundation of ground cover plants which provide a living mulch, suppress weeds, and add texture. Low-growing shrubs and perennials form the middle layer, adding volume and color. Taller shrubs and small trees create the backdrop, providing structure and privacy. When selecting plants for different layers, consider their mature size and growth habit. You want to avoid overcrowding, which can lead to competition for resources and hinder plant health. Strategic layering creates a sense of depth and intrigue, drawing the eye through the garden and highlighting the unique beauty of each plant. Section 5. Texture and contrast. The art of plant selection. Choosing plants solely based on their flowers can lead to a one-dimensional garden. To create a truly captivating space, consider the texture and contrast of foliage. Plants with bold architectural foliage, such as hostas, ferns, and ornamental grasses, add drama and visual interest, even when not in bloom. Fine textured plants like lavender and baby's breath provide a delicate counterpoint. Contrasting colors and shapes also enhance visual appeal. Pair plants with dark glossy leaves alongside those with light feathery foliage. Combine plants with rounded shapes with those that have spiky or upright forms. By playing with texture and contrast, you can create a dynamic and visually stimulating garden that engages the senses year-round. Sustainable gardening practices create a beautiful garden without harming the environment. Conserve water, reduce waste, and support local ecosystems. Use native plants. They need less water and maintenance. They also support beneficial insects and wildlife. Install rain gardens to capture runoff and filter pollutants. Composting reduces waste and enriches soil. Decomposed compost improves soil structure and fertility. These practices create an eco-friendly, beautiful garden. Section 7. Maximizing small spaces. Even if you have a small outdoor space, you can still create a lush and inviting garden. Vertical gardening is an excellent solution for maximizing space in small gardens, balconies, and patios. Use trellises, walls, or fences to grow climbing plants such as vines, clematis, and climbing roses. This vertical space utilization creates a stunning display while freeing up valuable ground space. Container gardening is another versatile option for small spaces. Choose a variety of containers in different sizes and materials to add visual interest. You can grow a wide range of plants in containers, including flowers, vegetables, herbs, and even small shrubs and trees. Group containers together to create mini gardens, or place them strategically around your patio or balcony to define different areas. With a little creativity and planning, you can transform even the smallest of spaces into a verdant retreat. Section 8. The allure of water. Features. The soothing sound of water adds a calming and tranquil ambiance to any garden. Water features can range from simple bird baths and fountains to more elaborate ponds and waterfalls. The size and complexity of your water feature will depend on your available space and budget. Even a small bird bath can attract birds and other wildlife, adding life and movement to your garden. Fountains create a focal point and provide the soothing sound of trickling water. Ponds, while requiring more maintenance, offer a habitat for aquatic plants and animals, creating a miniature ecosystem in your backyard. When choosing a water feature, consider its placement, size, and style in relation to the overall garden design. A well-designed water feature enhances the sensory experience of your garden, creating a calming and inviting atmosphere. Section 9. From dream to reality. Creating your garden sanctuary. Transforming your garden dream into a reality is an incredibly rewarding journey. By following these tips and allowing your creativity to flourish, you can create a garden that reflects your unique style and provides a sanctuary for relaxation, enjoyment, and connecting with nature. Remember to start with a clear vision, assess your garden's potential, and choose plants that thrive in your climate and soil conditions. Embrace sustainable gardening practices to create a space that is both beautiful and environmentally responsible. Don't be afraid to experiment with different plants, textures, and colors to find what brings you joy. Gardening is an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and evolving. Embrace the journey, and most importantly, have fun creating your dream garden.